Welcome to lecture 13 of NFTL. Today we will calculate the image impedance of half section. So this is a half section network. We will calculate the image impedance from input side. So this is Zi1. Zi1 is equal to Zi2 in parallel with 2Z2 in series with Z1 by 2. Now Zi1 is equal to 2Z2 I2 divided by 2Z2 plus Zi2 plus Z1 by 2. The equation becomes Zi1 is equal to 4Z2 Zi2 plus 2Z1 Z2 plus Z1 Zi2 divided by 2 into bracket 2Z2 plus Zi2. So 4Z2 Zi1 plus 2Z2 Zi1 equal to 2Z1 Z2 plus Zi2 into Z1 plus 4Z2 Zi2. So here we can take 2 common, 2 into 2Z2 Zi1 plus Zi2 into Zi1 into bracket plus 2 common here this side 2 into Z1 Z2 plus Zi2 Z1 by 2 plus 2 Z2 Zi2. So this equation becomes 2Z2 Zi1 plus Zi2 Zi1 minus Zi2 into Z1 by 2 minus 2Z2 Zi2 equal to Z1 Z2. Now derive the expression with the help of Zi2 from this side. Zi2 is equal to Zi1 in series with Z1 by 2 into bracket in parallel with 2Z2. Zi2 is equal to bracket Zi1 plus Z1 by 2 into bracket 2Z2 divided by Zi1 plus Z1 by 2 plus 2Z2. Zi2 into bracket 2Z2 plus Z1 by 2 plus Zi1 into bracket equal to Z1 by 2 plus Zi2 into bracket multiplied by 2Z2. So 2Z2 Zi2 plus Zi2 into Z1 by 2 plus Zi2 into Zi1 equal to Z2 Z1 plus 2Z2 Zi. 2Z2 Zi2 plus Zi2 into Z1 by 2 plus Zi2 Zi1 minus 2Z2 Zi1 equal to Z2 Z1. Now comparing this equation number 2 with equation number 1. So we get Zi2 into Zi1 plus 2Zi1 Z2 minus Zi2 Z1 by 2 minus 2Z2 Zi2 is equal to 2Z2 Zi2 plus Zi2 into Z1 by 2 plus Zi2 Zi1 minus 2Z2 Zi1. Now the equation becomes 2Zi1 plus 2Z2 Zi1 minus Zi2 into Z1 by 2 minus Zi2 into Z1 by 2 minus 2Z2 Zi2 minus 2Z2 Zi2 equal to 0. 4Zi1 Z2 minus 2Zi Z1 into Zi2 divided by 2 minus 4Z2 Zi2 equal to 0. So calculating this we get 4Zi1 Z2 is equal to Zi2 into Z1 plus 4Z2 into bracket. So Zi1 divided by Zi2 we get Z1 plus 4Z2 by 4Z. Now adding 1 and 2, first and second equation, we get this equation. Zi1 Zi2 plus 2Zi into Z2 2 minus Zi2 into bracket Z1 by 2 plus 2Z2 into bracket plus Zi1 Zi2 minus 2Zi1 Z2 plus Zi2 into bracket Z1 by 2 plus 2Z2 is equal to 2Z1 Z2. So 2Z1 2Zi1 into Zi2 is equal to 2Z1 Z2. Therefore Zi1 into Zi2 is equal to Z1 Z2. Now multiplying 3 and 4 equation, we get Zi1 upon Zi2 into Zi1 into Zi2 is equal to Z1 plus 4Z2 upon 4Z2 into Z1 Z2. So Zi1 square is equal to Z1 into Z1 plus 4Z2 into bracket divided by 4. So this will be equal to Z1 square by 4 plus Z1 Z2. Therefore Zi1 is equal to under root of Z1 square by 4 plus Z1 Z2 under the root. Now put the value of Zi1 in 4, we get the value of Zi2. So Zi1 into Zi2 is equal to Z1 Z2. Therefore Zi1 into Z1 square by 4 Z1 square by 4 plus Z1 Z2 is equal to Z1 Z2. So Z1 Zi2 is equal to Z1 Z2 divided by Z1 square by 4 plus Z1 Z2. So this is the image impedance from the second side. This is the image impedance from the first side, the first port. This is from the second port, this is from the first port. Thank you so much for attending my lecture. Keep sharing with your friends. Thank you.